In this task, we are going to use git stash. So we are going to learn what is git stash as well. So earlier we cloned a repository. You can clone this repository from this URL. So once you clone it, it doesn't matter though. So you can use any repository. So if I run the command git branch now, there are a couple of branches, inf vms and main branch. So I'm working in inf vms branch. So if I run the command git status, I don't have anything to commit. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to add a resource. For instance, I added this code. Just don't worry about the syntax. And then if you run the git status now, so it says this file is modified. So we need to we added some code. Okay, now your colleague asked you to check out some main branch to run some Terraform commands. Then if you want to switch to the main branch, run the command git checkout main branch. So you're not able to do it because you have some local changes. You made some changes in this branch, and then if you need to commit it before switching to other branches. Okay, otherwise these changes gonna come to that other main branch as well. So in order to avoid that, what you want to do, because you have some unfinished business, so you want to write some few, because there are syntax highlights, so you need to fix these, then you can commit it. So then in this case, what you're going to do, either you can delete this content, so that's not ideal. What you can do, you can run the command git stash. So those changes are gone. Git stash is nothing but it's a temporary storage or temporary self, you can say. So now if you run the command git status, nothing is there. Now you can check out to main branch, and then you can run command. So once you're done with that, again you can check out what's the branch name. You can check out that inf vms branch. If you run the git status again, you don't see anything here still. What you can do, if you run the command git stash list, you can see the list. Because if you run the command multiple times git stash, you're going to have multiple of these temporary files. Then you can restore whichever the file you want. So I want to restore this one. Simply I have only one stash. What I can do, I can do git stash pop. So it's popped up. Now what I can do, I can add it to staging, and then I can commit it. You can say use git stash, and then you can push it to the remote branch. This is how you can use git stash. So we just need to achieve the same thing with this task. So we need to jump into this directory. So once you're in, if you run the command git status, you don't see anything. If you run the command git branch, you can see it. But for this task to finish, you need to apply this task. So you can do git stash list. So you have two stashes. So what do you need to do? You need to apply this one. So if you want to restore this one, what you can do, git stash apply and give that stash name. Now if you run the git status command, you can see it's been added to staging because it's in green color, and you can say changes to be committed. Now run the command git commit -m, just give something, and then push it, git push origin and master branch. Now you're done. Check the task results. So that's how you use stars. Trust me that stars sometimes you need to use it because that happens. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.